This guide will show you how to see or create a playlist with all digital music tracks you've marked as love. There is a catch, and we shall dig deeper now. How to find loved songs on Apple Music on iPhone via iTunes Smart Playlist. If you have added the songs to the Apple Music library, you can see the files by checking Smart Playlist. This feature has been added to iTunes 3 and up, with which you can easily grab all your loved songs. How to see loved songs on Apple Music on iPhone via Mac. Likewise, with the aid of Smart Playlist in Apple Music, you can do the job on a Mac or MacBook or iMac. And the loved songs also should be added to the library in the first place. How to view loved songs on Apple Music on iPhone by requesting loved songs from Apple. Do you want to get all your Apple Media content directly, including the loved songs, on your iPhone? Requesting such hard data from Apple makes it convenient for you to complete it. Trick: how to create a playlist of your loved songs on your iPhone. Open Apple Music and go to its library. Navigate to New Playlist and rename it. Go to Add Music and add tracks you loved from the library.